Hey guys, we have an HP NV114 printer, and the screen is telling us that there's a problem with the cartridge, and it indicates the color one. So this is what it says on the screen, that one or more cartridges appear to be damaged, and it shows the color one. This is a common issue that you can have on any HP printer, and usually the first thing that we need to check is definitely the cartridge. So in our case, and a lot of cases that I usually run into, what we would need to check first is to open up the printer, to have the cartridges slide over. When the cartridges are in this position here where you can pull them out, since we have the color one, we're gonna pull this out, and in a lot of cases you will see that there's going to be either some ink over here or on the back of the cartridge that needs to be cleaned. In our case, there's a little bit of ink there, and I'm going to try to clean it. Usually it is safe to use alcohol swabs, and that actually would be the best thing, or just a dry towel with maybe just a little bit of cleaning solution in there. And best to unplug the printer. So even though HP doesn't recommend just unplugging the printer while it's on, in this case we'd probably need to do that, or we can actually, yeah, we have to have this in this position here in order for us to get to it. So we're just going to unplug it, and then go ahead and clean it with the power off. And since alcohol is what we're using, it's going to dry it up real quick. Since we're here and it's doing this for the left cartridge, sometimes both need to be cleaned, so we'll just go ahead and do that too. So we'll just remove the black cartridge and clean these contact areas. We'll just give it a little bit of time, or we can also help it by paper towel drying it. Make sure you don't leave any pieces there that are torn off. That'll cause another damage or another issue for your printer. And definitely just go in the back of your ink cartridge and clean it, wipe it down, make sure there's no moisture before you install those. So just kind of like that here. Be careful so you don't untape this contact area. And what we're going to do is we're just going to close these, give it a few minutes. We're going to close the printer and turn it back on. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. So the printer turns on. So now the printer is telling us the cartridges are missing. We're going to put those into the printer by lifting the top portion. And let's insert cartridges. Here we go. In the black. And let's close the top cover. Now it's going to give us the error of improper shutdown since we unplugged the printer. And it looks like that error is gone. It's going to ask for an alignment, and that should resolve the issue. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was the problem and that you had. If it still gives you an error, sometimes cartridges, they do go bad even though you may be using them. That usually happens with a cartridge that you already refilled once or twice. So if it keeps on giving you the error, what else can you do is probably the cartridge is damaged and does need replacement. That's the worst case scenario. So good luck with this. Hopefully it's just a simple fix as this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.